How to safely and quickly remove HyGel step by step. Step 1. Trim the extended nails if there's any. If the client does not want to cut them down completely, position the client's hand palm up and trim according to the length of the natural nails underneath. Step 2. Turn on the clean air dust collector. Use an electric e-file with a suitable drill bit to remove the gel polish or top gel on the nail surface. Then carefully file down the HyGel to about 80 to 90%. Step 3. Soften the HyGel using cotton balls, aluminum foil, and 100% pure acetone. Soak a cotton ball in acetone, place it on the nail, and wrap it with the aluminum foil to hold it in place. Repeat for all nails. For faster results, have the client wear plastic gloves over the foil wraps to retain the heat and speed of the soak-off process. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 4. Remove the gloves and foil. After being soaked in acetone, the HyGel will soften and start to dissolve. Use a cuticle pusher to gently remove the remaining HyGel from the nail, similar to how you would remove gel polish. Step 5. After the HyGel removal, confirm the client's desired service. For a manicure, reshape the nails and continue with the process. For a new HyGel nail enhancement, prep the nail bed and proceed with the application. The client's natural nails will remain healthy, strong, and undamaged after the quick and safe HyGel removal.